Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix Hotspot not working or not showing on iPhone iOS 17. So how to fix this problem? First of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video so you have do not miss any step. So fix this issue. First of all, you have restart your iPhone. So how to restart iPhone? So you have first of all volume up button and then volume down button, and press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then you release the button, and then 5 to 10 seconds, and then your mobile is restart, and then your problem will be fixed. If their first solution is not working, their second solution, you have make sure that you have the latest version of iOS on your iPhone. So you have do not update iOS version on your iPhone, so you have must be update on your iPhone. So you have open the setting and click on general, click on software update, and then iOS update version latest then available you have must be installed on your iPhone. So third solution, you have changed your iPhone name. So you have again open the setting and then click on general and then click on about, and then you have name iPhone is changed, and then you have about done, and then you have name is changed from your iPhone. And then other solution, you have reset network setting on your iPhone. Then you have again open the setting and then scroll up, then you have click on general and then scroll up, then you have transfer or reset iPhone, and then you have click on reset and then reset network iPhone, given a passcode, and then your reset network setting only, do not lose any data from your iPhone. Then you have reset network setting issue is fixed. And then last solution, you have again reset all setting, and then you have again open the setting, and then you have click on general and then scroll up, then you have click on transfer or reset, and then click on reset our setting, then iPhone given a passcode, and then you have taken iPhone passcode, and then and do not lose any data from your mobile, photos or videos, only reset all setting of iPhone, and then your problem will be fixed. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.